Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to use the SanDisk Memory Zone app. Start by opening your device's App Store there, the App Store for iPhone or Google Play for Android. In the search bar, type SanDisk Memory Zone and tap Install to download and install the app. Once installation is complete, open the app to begin managing your files. If you have a SanDisk, USB drive, or memory card, connect it to your phone. The app should automatically detect the connected device. You'll then see your phone's internal storage alongside any connected SanDisk devices. From here, you can browse, transfer, and back up files between your phone and the external storage. Tap on a category like Photos, Videos, or Documents to view your files. To select a file, simply long press. It will bring up options to copy, move, or delete. To back up your files, tap Backup at the bottom of the screen. Choose the files you want to save, then select either cloud storage or your SanDisk device as the destination. Tap Start Backup and the app will securely save your files. You can also mark important files as favorites for quicker access, or move sensitive files into the secure folder, which can be locked with a password or fingerprint. For added convenience, you can set up automatic backups for your photos and videos on a schedule. That's how you can easily manage, transfer, and protect your files using the SanDisk Memory Zone app.